I don't talk to scum.
Can't go look alive.
Fresh
I don't know who makes Zozo feel like him a smarty, but I'm just not going to do it. Why the fuck is it that every negative energy I try to find me today? I don't get it. First, Alex, now you. You people are weird. As I see people at the top, every single body I come to your piece of the cake, bro. Leave me the fuck alone.
Fresh drop.
Leave me alone. Where was this energy yesterday when Britney had stabbed you up? Go focus on that. You're weird. What did I say more than I'm on a call? I cannot talk to you right now. Are you dumb? Clearly you're dumb. You call me a bag of name, bitch. You don't know anything about me. Nothing at all. Weird. Everybody I look like a clout. Every single body I look clout, bro. Every single body I look clout. It is giving
Fresh drop.
weird. Y'all are sitting on fucking live, cursing people. You guys aren't getting shit. Are y'all blind? Wanna sit down, I wanna argue, wanna bring down on yourself, wanna bring down other people, I wanna not get no fucking gift. It's giving weird, it's giving crazy, it's giving cringe, it's giving fucking stupid. If one did a course, in a match, and I make some money, I would understand. But y'all bitches sitting down on your phones, screaming at each fucking other for no reason, and then I make dollar. Wake the fuck up, y'all are stupid.